Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go how can we turn on guys backup my data setting in our Infinix phone. Guys you want to on guys backup my data, so friends you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on backup my data in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on phone setting to on backup my data, then guys scroll it. Friends you can see phone system setting, friends tap here. Guys you can see your backup setting. So when you want to on guys your backup and data setting, friends you can on, and guys you can use your backup and data setting in your Infinix phone guys. So like that guys, you want to on your backup my data guys, you can on from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Thank you. Any doubt related to guys your Infinix phone setting, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.